Dysfunctional vet. What you see in front of you, besides my shadow and now a board, is a hose. And what is it connected to? It is connected to a Weaver reel. If we tilt this thing back, we can see it screwed in here, and I've put wire ties on it to move it over to this side so that I can now try to roll it up. We're going to try to roll it. I'll show you whether or not it works. We'll see where it goes from here. Let's see how it works. Needs a brace on the bottom to stand on. It's actually pulling tight because of the length of the hose. So what I'm going to do is pull some slack and then start again. As soon as it gets tight, you need to pull some slack. Keep rolling. This hose is 150 feet long. There we go. Success. When you first start pulling this, what you need to do is you need to make sure you have lots of slack so that the hose doesn't get pulled flat against the tension of the hose sliding on the ground. And then once you have that done, you're good. Dysfunctional vet out.